If you're always in go mode, love filming photos, you gotta have the right gear. Just leave your phone on the nightstand, get yourself an action cam, and then capture without fear. They ask me which one should I choose, OG or the new, GoPro or DJI. Well, don't worry no more, cause I wrote this song for helping people decide.
Okay, GoPro here. Been doing this for 10 plus years. If action's peanut butter, we're the jam. Our name is a synonym for action cam. Athletes trust us when they send it. Hard crash, we survive to the end, yeah. DJI, you're just too soft. Be like one of your drones and buzz off. The Hero 10 is a 12th iteration. Hyper smooth for stabilization. Front screen and 5.3K GPS tracking your G-force sense speed. Modded up with a screen or a light. Vertical video, flip it on its side. It's GoPro or go home. RTH DJI, you're out of your zone.
Yeah, you came for the showdown, stay for the lowdown on which action cam is best. Comparing features they both got and what ain't so hot, I put them to the test. They asked me which one should I choose, OG or the new, GoPro or DJI. Well, don't worry no more, cause I wrote this song for helping people decide.
Knock knock, it's DJI. You know us cause we so damn fly. Conquered the drone game, made unfolding. Hasselblad lens paired with Sony sensors. Henceforth, GoPro better watch your back, it's war. Consider this karma for when you tried to launch your own drone and harm us. Now we back with the action too. It's lighter and smaller and sleeker than you. We modular, got magnetic attraction. Snap on a screen, then it's lights, camera, action. True specs might not be the best, but we fit your life, motorcycle versus Vespa. You stole a front screen, what you gonna take next? Not a stop cause your copy's all in plain
it's
text.
It's a duel for the ages, the battle rages between these two action cams. But in the distance there rises a new surprise, and well, they don't give a damn, cause they wanna reinvent it all. Watch the Titans fall, GoPro and DJI. So welcome Insta360, shift gears like 6 feet, and let them take the mic.
Yo, we're here to flip it back on both of you. Why have one lens when you could just have two? We're Insta360, it's right in our name. Y'all bumping out specs while we change the game. Hey GoPro, your brand is too extreme. You think we all live in the X Games, it seems? And DJI, you ain't original much. First GoPro, now go back to drum stuff. Our flagship is the 1X2. Got a 5.7K VR view, we see it all. Immersed deep in the flow state. Shot Lab makes your videos dope like Flash Dash. Hit 'em with the style lapse of the fly laps. Shadow Clone Twister, pixelize that. Ghost Town stop motion, we go shot. Flash Dash. Hit 'em with the style lapse of the fly laps. Shadow Clone Twister, pixelize that. Ghost Town stop motion, we go shot. Hey, we got hyperlapse too. Don't call us two. Max lens for extra wide view. GoPro 10 with GP2. Easy to use. Look at your mount, it's a screw.
Oh, you're both jealous cause we do it better. Our users are so loyal, they'll buy our shit forever. If you're always in go mode, love filming photos, you gotta have the right gear. And it can be hard to choose a new drone or camera when there are so many here. But if you're watching this now, you can see how these action cams are all fine. So let me know down below if this song is a miss or helped you to decide. If you're always in go mode, love filming photos, you gotta have the right gear. Just leave your phone